Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. Earlier we were watching that the price line of Cardano broke out the resistance of the channel. Right now we are having a pullback and it is possible that it will retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And in today's video we will discuss this move, but before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and if we move back to this chart, then we can see that the price line was moving in this down channel since August 2021, and after a long time period finally we broke it out. Previously here the price line broke out this resistance of the channel, but it was rejected by this resistance of 100 daily simple moving average, and while retesting the previous resistance as a support, it moved down and re-entered the channel and confirmed this previous support as a resistance again, and moved down and started its move inside this channel. Right now after this bounce we broke it out, and it is possible that we will move more down to retest this previous resistance as a support that will be approximately at $1.36. And this time below the price action we have a lot of support. We can see that this level has been working as a strong support and resistance here, and the recent swing low before the breakout, this level is also very strong support, and this area is very important. We can see whenever the price line is moving in this area, it is getting bounced, and previously we have seen such bounces here as well and here as well. So even in the previous past history, we can see this level has been working as a very strong support and resistance. Therefore, this time it is possible that after this retest we will have a successful price reversal from here, and this rally will be continued. But these two moving averages are really very important. We have again 100 simple moving average resistance, and above that we have the 200 daily simple moving average, and the price level resistance is $2, and then we will have a final resistance approximately at $3, and I'm expecting that during this rally the price line can even break out the $3 as well, because at the if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here price line has formed this broadening wedge formation, and right now we are struggling to break out this exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. But once the price line will continue its move, break out this EMA 21, then this moving average can work as a strong support to lead the price action here at this resistance, and it will be approximately I'm expecting more than $6, or we can touch even $7 as well. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator is coming out from the oversold zone, and on the daily time frame we have already seen that the price line has broken out this resistance with the bullish divergence, as the RSI was forming higher lows and the price line was forming lower lows. So there was a bullish divergence, and the price line has broken out this resistance with the bullish divergence. That is also another signal for a big move from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.